And then a class action lawsuit against Robinhood was filed. So I covered the story yesterday, but a lot of you have PM'd me, told me that this was a topic you were interested in hearing more about, so I figured I would do a follow-up video for you. You can find part 1 over here. And once again, disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, so please do not use this video for financial advice. So, on January 28th, shortly after the market opened, Robinhood, WeBull, TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, Interactive Brokers, and a few other brokerage firms prevented people from buying stocks like Gamestop, AMC, Nokia, Bed Bath & Beyond, Blackberry, Express, and Koss Corp. They claimed this was a protective tactic to cover them in case the market got too volatile, that they needed to cover purchases or sales that were not accounted for, considering the media was calling this a frenzy. Because of this, a lot of these stocks' prices started to drop. People wanted to buy back in, but they couldn't. They could only sell what shares they had. As of Wednesday, January 27th, I reported that GameStop closed at $347.51. As of Thursday, it closed at $193.60. People were posting all over social media claiming they could not buy extra shares when they wanted to, many of which were getting prompts telling them that they weren't allowed to buy it to protect the customer from the risk. What's the stock market? Others have also claimed that their apps have forced them to sell some of their shares. I personally would like to see other stories come out before I feed into that. If it did happen to you though, please feel free to let us know in the comments. Meanwhile, there are reports that hedge funds were able to continue trading these same exact stocks that individual investors were not able to purchase. From there, an uproar on Twitter, Facebook, and Reddit ensued, leading people to mass report different brokerage firms to the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. And then a class action lawsuit against Robinhood was filed. There's also reports coming out that 40% of Robinhood's revenue in the year of 2020 came from Citadel, which is the company that bailed out Melvin Capital. Melvin Capital is the hedge fund that was short selling the Gamestop stock that WallStreetBets Reddit community is currently trying to bankrupt. So Robinhood announced that they would be starting limited buys on Friday. Guess what that means is they're going to be putting restrictions on how many shares you can purchase and how you purchase the shares. You would need to have at least the proper amount of money in order to purchase the share. Around the country, prominent political figures started to put in their 2 cents. Justin Amash, Ben Shapiro, Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez, Ted Cruz, AOC again. But we'll save that story for another time. To me, what we see right now is the United States. Multiple different people from a spectrum of political ideologies all coming together for one common interest. Something they see as an unfair advantage from some of the wealthiest people in the country, if not the world. I'm hoping in the future that this opens conversations so people can find their middle ground. I try to be a little optimistic, alright? I personally hope to see a positive income for the common citizen, but this has definitely unearthed a whole can of worms when it comes to conspiracy on Wall Street. How do you feel about the situation on Wall Street? Have you been affected? Let me know in the comments. If you don't know me, I'm the Bugs Are Bad. You can call me Chris, I really don't care. I discuss politics, make different genres of music, play a variety of games, love JDM cars, and enjoy trying and learning about new things, while having a passion for making content about virtually anything. So if any of that sounds exciting to you, or you'd like to hear my perspective on other future events, don't forget to hit that sub button. I'd really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please like the video. If you love the video, feel free to share it with your friends. But I hope you all stay safe out there, and once again, thank you for watching. Peace!